What is going on, everybody? This is Hunter and TGIF. Thank God it is Friday and it is beautiful. So today I'm doing a little bit of a shorter video, probably about 10 minutes, and I am hitting the road, hopefully getting on some water. But this is the 2021 Salem 32BHDS. It is a big boy. It's going to sleep 10. You got dual entries, outside kitchen. This thing is spec'd out to the gills if you're not trying to spend a fortune but still get that Mac Daddy camper. But let's head on inside. I'm gonna drop some specs on the screen here while I'm walking up into this. But please make sure to hit that like or subscribe button for more RV videos. And when I was telling you it's a beautiful day out, guys, check that out. We are in the middle of our new service bay, so it is nice and clean and quiet over here. Whew, that is beautiful. Jeff Couch's RV Nation. My email is hunter@thervhunter.com. If you are in the market for a camper, I definitely want to be your guy. But let's go on in. Again, 2021 Salem 32BHDS. This thing is the Mac Daddy travel trailer for a family. If you got the truck to pull it, let me show you why. And let's start right here in this living room. So this right here is the Versa Lounge. And if you guys are new to the term Versa Lounge, it's not going to be new for very long. Everyone is going to copy it. This thing is bad to the bone. So essentially, you have your normal, U-shaped dinette over here. Everyone knows what those are. They've been around for quite a long time. I've been selling for 6 years or so. Always the same thing, U-shaped dinette. I need a U-shaped dinette. I want a freestanding table and chairs, yada, yada, yada. Well, this right here drops down just like any other U-shaped dinette. This portion right here, though, it's interchangeable. So you can take it out completely, remove it, or you can put it, flip it around and put it right there. So it's no longer a U-shape, it's an L-shaped dinette, but a larger couch. Or you can go ahead and drop the bed, pull this jackknife out, and this becomes one massive bed. Let me show you real quick. All right, so I showed you about 90% of it. I didn't want to kick the metal legs out here and, get into doing that on this video today since I am trying to enjoy the beautiful evening here. But as you can see, when you drop this down, look how big this space is. I mean, this camper sleeps 8 to 10, but I mean, hell, you have a couple kids there. I mean, you could probably fit an army of 6 on that thing, or at least 4 full-grown adults could go on that. Let me put this back up, show you the rest of the kitchen, then we'll keep on moving. So I got this set up, but again, that is the Versa Lounge. Tons of extra sleeping space, a lot of convenience. And what I didn't show you before, and I should have as I was setting this up and taking it back down, you got tons of storage under there, a whole bunch of totes under there for organizing. And then underneath this side and that side, you have more totes that you can just pull out right there. So it's definitely awesome. Huge, spacious windows, so you guys can see what's going on if you're at that campground, or if you want to block out your weird neighbor, you got your nightshades. All right, so over here onto the kitchen side, you got your nice little L set up. You have your Active Susie. Not exactly sure I'm convinced on why the name Active Susie is, but maybe one of you guys could drop a comment and let me know. But this thing's got a bunch of storage, massive refrigerator, really nice, good size sink. Little drying rack there. It's got this little doodad. Yeah, this thing's got the whole package. 3 stovetop burner. You got a Greystone oven right here so you guys can make some cookies. Greystone microwave. You can fit probably a bag or 2 of popcorn in there. And you got some really good, nice, wide, and deep storage. See, I'm 6 feet tall. I got my fingers sitting out. It goes just before, my elbow. So, heck, I mean, that's pretty nice right there. Now, I mentioned that refrigerator. This is the Everchill. It is a 12-volt RV refrigerator. So you're good to go. You never have to worry about, going through any tunnels or anything like that. You don't have the propane running it. But for a camper that sleeps this many people, you need a refrigerator that can feed those people. So, I mean, heck, look at that. You could probably fit, I would venture to say, 800 hot dogs in that bad boy. And I'm not even kidding you. Nice storage here, pantry, I guess you could call it. Yeah, another one down there. Look at that, dual action, baby. You ask for storage, Forest River delivers. Right there. Now let's head on into the back, but first let's check this out. This is the closet. There's a handsome man in the mirror. Hello, everybody. My name is Hunter. Again, that email is hunter@thervhunter.com. If you guys are interested, I would love to work with you. You could at least like and subscribe for me. That would be not as good, but it would still be pretty darn helpful. I'd appreciate you. 4 of those bad boys, you can see they are nice and long. 2 more down there. And the bunk room. So I love this bunk room. You have this top bunk that can fold up against that little clicker right in there. But you have the Versa Queen. So just like the Versa Lounge, they found a way to sneak more features in a small place. So this is set up in their like little couch mode, okay? But as you can see, you know, you can pull on those little drawstrings there and it goes all the way out to make one big queen bed. So you can turn this entire floor into a giant bed for all the kiddos, or, you know, maybe a neighbor or two that just needs a night to crash. But, you know, really nice system there. This camper does have 2 ACs on this unit. It's a 50 amp unit. So this will drop down, keep this back room really cool. Really nice and soft. Sometimes I like to write on these. Put, hi, Mom. Because my mom's the MVP. Hope you're watching. Handwriting is still terrible. USB ports over here. Plenty of good storage. And a little emergency hatch if we need to get out. All right, so in here you got your bathroom. You got your shower right there, your sink. You got a little storage underneath there. And then you got a mirror. Place to put your toothbrush and all that good stuff. One of your 2 doors. The outside kitchen is just to the right. And you got your porcelain throne. But let's check out this fireplace. Show you the bedroom real quick. And then I'm going to head on outside. Do a quick little tour-ski. And skeet daddle. So your fireplace, this thing goes up to 100 degrees. It is excessively hot. It is awesome. You also have your Furrion soundbar system. This thing gets bumping. It is loud. It is crisp. It is clean. It is nice. You have zone 1 and zone 2. Inside, outside, any combination of those. And on the left and the right, you have some place to put whatever it is that you want to put there. Little DVD players, all that good stuff. You can run all your cords, through here in those cabinets and all that. Place for probably about a 50-inch TV or so, I would guess. No, fits up to a 55-inch TV. So that's nice. You can get a really good-sized camper or TV in here. I think this is definitely one of my favorite campers. If I had a truck that could pull this, this would be it. You're talking under 30 grand, and you get all this right here. So here is the bedroom. You got a standing closet right there, or hanging closet right there and right there. And you have some storage up above. Goes across. And you do have these little entrances right there. So if you need to put a CPAP, you got plenty of space that you can do it. USB outlet. USB outlet. And then underneath the bed, you got some storage totes right there, nice and organized, and access to your, your exterior storage. Let's take one more peek here at the inside, and let's head on out to the outside. And if this is where you head off, I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch. Hope you have a beautiful day. Hope you hit me up if you guys are in the market. And yeah, appreciate the love, guys. 2021 Salem 32 BHDS. Awesome camper. Check out that awning. Really nice sized long awning, so you get plenty of good shaded area on those days where it's just too bright out for you. Some nice pass-through storage. We got some stuff, little starter kit there, piece to your Blue Ox, weight distribution. That'll cost you $750 of money well spent. Dual axles, dual entries, outside kitchen, outdoor speakers, LED lights. Not much more you could possibly want in a camper. And I love those MORryde steps that fold right up in the door, up and away. Those things are awesome when it comes to, inclement conditions outside. All right, now check out this bad boy. This outside kitchen is awesome. Not only do you have an absolute ton of space, you get some extra storage here on the side, little organizing bins again, more up here with a little net to hold it all in. Room for a 40-inch outdoor TV. So imagine you're at the campground, the game's on, or at night with movies. Place to put all your six-packs, your apple juice, and a sink, to wash your hands. This is not a dump bowl. This is actual water, can go in and out of this bad boy. So you're good to go there. This has the power stabilizing jack. So there's a button here and a button just past those stairs. So you can lower them down a little bit, more of a carefree, a little less work. Ladder to get on top of your camper to do all your servicing. You want to jump up there, probably twice a year and check your seals, make sure everything is good. You have yourself a swing arm grill. Swing on out to there. You have an LP quick connect underneath the camper to hook that up. And right here, as you can see, it is prepped for a backup camera. We suggest the Furrion S Vision. Runs you $550 installed, and that's a pretty sweet little system there. You get a little 4.5-inch screen, suction cup onto your windshield, so that way while you're driving, you can see what's actually going on behind you. Or if you're at a campground, instead of arguing with each other, again, you can just angle it down at your bumper so you don't hit that tree. Now, these slides come prepped for slide toppers. So that's what those little notches are there. You can add those on for $700 a piece. That, again, is money well spent if you're someone that wants a little bit more ease, a little bit more convenience. You don't have to worry about some of the problems of, being underneath trees with twigs and branches and nuts and whatever. It just kind of rolls right off the top. It's an awning for your slide. Power tongue jack. But there you go, guys. We have wrapped it up. I'm going to enjoy what's left of this beautiful day. It's a 2021 Salem 32 BHDS. Hope you make sure you like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See ya.